Hello everyone, I hope you're fine. Today video I'll be discussing how to calculate the cost of rubble work. So it can be your site work or your garden work. So you need to know what is the cost for your rubble work. So you know it's not possible to calculate for smaller quantities. Therefore I'll calculate for 1 cube. That means 1 cube is equal to 100 cubic feet, and 1 cube is equal to 2.83 cubic meters. Therefore I'll calculate for 100 cubic feet, then we can convert into cubic feet and cubic meters. So firstly you need to know about what are the materials and resources that you need to complete this work. So you know, for rubble work you need 6 by 9 rubble and cement and sand and water, and you need a mason or skilled labor, because you can't work now, so you need a mason, so and unskilled labor for help in works. So these are the units. So here I get these quantities from referring some BSRs and my site experience. So this is the cement ratio. The mortar ratio is 1 to 5. That means 1 is cement, 5 is sand. That is the ratio for mortar. And here you know, to make 1 cube of and 100 cubic feet, you need 1.3 rubble. 1.3 cube of rubble you need to complete 1 cube of rubble work. Okay, and what are the cement? Here cement bag. How much cement bag you need? That means I consider here 1 cement bag is equal to 50 kilograms. Therefore you need 250 cement kilograms to complete 1 cube of rubble work. So therefore it is 50 bags. Here it's sand. To complete 1 cube of rubble work you need 0.3 cube of sand, and water and 100 gallons you need, and mason. To complete 1 cube of rubble work you need 2 masons and 4 skilled laborers. That day means 8 to 5. 8 to 5, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is a day. Okay, so here I am from Sri Lanka, so therefore I'll put my currency here. You can put your currency, then you can calculate what is the cost for your work. So here in my country, 1 cube is 1 cube of rubble. That means 100 cubic feet of rubble. It's 16,000 rupees. I'll put 16,000 here, and so here this will multiply and give the answer here. Okay, and here cement bag. What is the cement bag cost for in your country? So in my country it's 3,000 rupees. So you can convert into dollars or whatever country, Indian or wherever you are, you have to put your currency. What is the cost for? Here 3,000 is 50 kilogram of bag. So here sand, in my country it's 28,000. Then you see 28,000 multiply with, so you have to put this equation and put this one and star mark and multiply. it will give you 8,400. So, and water gallons. So here in my country, it's water gallon is actually it's 10 rupees. So it's 1,000. And mason work. What is the day work? What is the cost of day work? Okay, in Sri Lanka, it's 3,000 rupees. And unskilled labor, it's 2,000 rupees. So the summation of these all the items, and I put 5%. You see, I put tools and equipments. I present, here to this total summation is 59,200. Then from that 59,200, you need some tools and equipments. So therefore I put 5% from this total work for tools and equipments. So it's 2,960. Then when we add these two, it's 62,160. Okay, and here now we have calculated what is the cost for 1 cube. That means to construct 1 cube of, that means 100 cubic feet of full rubble work, we will cost 62,160. Therefore we want to now calculate for what is the cost for 1 cubic feet. Therefore, because this is for 100 cubic feet, because this is the combination, this is the relationship, then we divide this 62,160 by 100. Then it will give you what is the cost for 1 cubic feet. And if you want to convert into what is the cost for 1 cubic meter, because it's depend on your choice. So we want to divide this 62,160 by this 2.83. It will give you cost of 1 cubic meter. So I think you have idea about that, how to calculate the cost. So you have to just put your currency, and so please understand what's happening here. So I think it will help you to understand the calculation method for rubble work. So let's meet in next video. So if you have any questions, if you want to know about some calculations of your concrete or waterproofing or whatever, so put a comment, so we can discuss that later. Okay, thank you very much for joining, and if you still didn't subscribe, please subscribe my channel and like this video. See you again.